Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for CSER owners using New Mexico's UST data. So I wanted to start by going over a blog post on Convenience Talk, and what this post has is a list of all the UST databases and they're organized by state. So if we go down to New Mexico and we click on this link, we'll end up on this page, and as I scroll down, we have a couple of options down here, and you have the XLS and then you have a PDF. So I downloaded the Excel sheet and opened it up in Google Docs, and this is what you'll get. You'll get the facility name, the address, the number of USTs, and the number of above storage tanks, and then the owner name. So this is pretty good data. I also decided to take this one step further. So I took Brew Oil Company here, and I went to the New Mexico Secretary of State and looked up the corporate records, and this is what came up. So what you get in this report is some officer information. And that's it for New Mexico. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.